are out here in the garden
Potato.
picking some stuff, and I thought I'd show you some of the things that we grow out here for medicine. We grow marigolds for tea, cayenne peppers. This is Malabar spinach.
Peppers.
And this is opal basil. This is good added to teas. Rowan picked us a cayenne pepper. Can you say cayenne?
Cayenne pepper.
Good job. The Malabar spinach is starting to put on berries. These are edible. The seeds are toxic, but the berry is edible. But it tastes like spinach. It's not very tasty. However, they are incredibly high in anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are what make them dark colored, dark purple, black colored. Thank you. Rowan's picking me berries. Peppers. But anyway, the berries on the Malabar spinach, they can be used for dye, or you can dehydrate them and add them to tea. I remember reading somewhere that anthocyanins are really good for immune support, as they prevent certain viruses from taking a hold in your system. I don't know a lot about that, but I remember reading that when a certain virus was a global issue. So I've kind of made it my mission to incorporate as many dark things in my garden as possible. So I have dark basil, I have huckleberries, I have Malabar spinach, I did a dark variety of cherry tomato. This is one of my huckleberry plants. Actually looks really nice. It hasn't gotten as big as they did last year because it's in full sun and they actually prefer partial shade. Here's another huckleberry plant. They typically do more of that. They send off long canes. But you can harvest those berries and dehydrate them and just add them to teas for immune support teas, or you could add them to smoothies or juices or just anything like that. They're good added to things. If you remember that video I made over the winter about the hot remedy lemonade, that purple basil is a really good addition to that. And you put in some honey, some cinnamon. If it's for yourself and not your kids, you can add some cayenne pepper, and then put in a few of those dark purple opal basil leaves, or a huckleberry, or some of these Malabar spinach berries. If you dehydrate them or freeze them, you just don't want to consume the Malabar spinach seeds. We also have in our garden some hyssop. We have oregano and sage and jalapenos. Anything spicy is going to be immune supporting and boosting, and anything high in anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are an antioxidant. They're not antiviral, but like I said, they prevent certain viruses from getting a stronghold within your immune system.